problem is number 13. And what we're doing here is they're giving us the graph of a function. It's a radical function. And they're telling us write a function showing the graph as a transformation of r of x equals to square root of x. So this is a transformation of the original function, which was r of x equals to a square root of x. Just to give us an idea, I am going to graph radical x or square root of x just to see what happened to this original function, which is the square root of x. So, as we know, the domain of this one is 0 to positive infinity, because we cannot give any negative number to a square root of x. So this, the first one is 0, 0. Then another point is 1, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so it will be right there. So we connect the points like this. And what we do in class, we all the time try to graph it like a dotted graph, you know, just to see that this is the one we're gonna be moving. Okay, so if we decide to go with only one point, which this point will correspond to this one, and we find out what happened to this graph to be transformed in this one, we notice that it went to the left, right? How many units? This is -1. This point right here is -1, -3, right? That means this one went to the left 1 unit. So let's rewriting it. In the process, when we move this one to the left, that's gonna happens, and then this happens right? Move it to the left. How is the expression? F of x is going to be equals to, since we're moving it to the left, we're going to add, inside of the radical, add 1. That's the effect of moving it to the left. Then it went down 1, 2, 3. So down 3. So -3. That is going to give me the translation of the initial point. 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3. And that's what is going on to the whole graph. So that's the expression, which in this case, it was given to us as a multiple choice, and that all corresponds to D. Remember, in this test, we're not using graphing calculator, but for obvious reasons. You know, this is what we're trying to demonstrate, that we understand the concepts of transformations. Now, number 13.